guys, my name is Shweta Kola and I'm a student of Sauder School of Business. I graduated from my MBA program this December 2014. How many of you right now are like super scared of GMAT? I know. Nobody better to talk about struggles with GMAT than me. Why I say that? Because I have an arts background and I did not touch academic math after my 10th standard. Even long before I considered doing an MBA, lots of my friends were heading for theirs and the only thing that bothered them all the time was GMAT. So no wonder that years after that, when it was my turn, the first thing that happens to me is panic. I panic like crazy and oh my god, should I even think of doing an MBA? Is it even worth it? Blah blah blah. Stopped right there, pulled up some practice tests from online databases and then, hey wait, these are just plus, minus, division, multiplication, ratios, percentages. I did all this in school. That's when I stopped panicking. Went to professional coaching services, took help, practiced like crazy and actually got a very good GMAT score. I feel like once we pull the panic thing out of our heads, we are good to become calm and stable and practice a lot, because no point in reinventing the wheel trying to discover new methods and invent new techniques to solve problems when there are teachers who have dedicated their lifetime to solving these math things and maybe helping us with quick tricks and techniques. There are many online discussion forums, mba.com, gmat.com, where you interact with other people, buddy up, practice things, check with each other, ask each other queries. So that's all pretty good practice that can happen. So don't worry, you will do well. Make sure that you get the right techniques in mind and do a lot of practice, because I had to give my GMAT after just a month's practice and I fared very well. So if I could do it with an arts background, you can do it with any background. It's interesting to me because in the MBA program they teach us something called go to the balcony technique. No, not to jump off, just to detach yourself for a moment from the problem and think about it in a different way, right? It really helps. Like, just go to the balcony, look at GMAT. What is it? It is just one of those many components that MBA schools consider for your application. You have your interviews, you have your personal essays, you have your reference letters, you have your work experience and the whole application itself. So GMAT is actually just a very tiny component to see if you belong to the program, if you have the aptitude or not. Become good at it, practice a lot, take a lot of practice tests and do well in the exam. Good luck!